Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to be opening some packs, base trading card, Bitcoin trading card packs. So these are Genesis packs, 10 cards per pack. And we have one Warrior versus Villains Series 3 pack. We got our nice little booklet guide here that goes over details and explains everything. We have our rarity guide, which is pretty cool. 21 club. Looks like rarity out of 21. You got epics, epic fire, epic lightning, epic ice. Whoa, those are real cool. So rarity out of 100. Rarity out of 210, out of 210, out of 210, out of 420, out of 500, out of 500, 500 out of 1,000. One of ones. Wow, that would be pretty awesome. More one of ones. And base chases. All right. Let's go. Start off with the Warriors and Villains pack. We see we got an out of 500 on the back here. Let's go. Big Pharma. Look at the artwork. The artwork is so nice. So that's limited of 1,000. Education. And what's cool about these on the back, they give detailed information on each card. So pause the video if you want to read it. Jeff Booth. Oh, look at this one. So that's out of 210. And here, pause the video here. You can read the back. So the cards are fire. They are awesome. If you're into numbered cards out of 421, again, pause the back. Out of 669. $669. My favorite thing out of this company is the numbered cards and the detailed history and information that they give you. You actually can learn something per card. Unlike other trading cards, they just slap like a quote, like a quick quote. You actually get to see and learn in the social media tagged as well. So this one is actually stamped, which I love. The cards are just fire. There will be more information in the video description, so definitely check them out. Genesis, here we go. So these 2023. Let's go. All right. I gotta say, it's actually pretty cool how far they've come. So the pack that we just opened was Season 3. And these are Genesis packs. It's actually really cool to see where a company, starts and comes from. We're printing money like never before in 2026. That's for sure. 3 years later. Out of stock bank. We do not need another bank run of the worthless paper, right? Even the Genesis cards are cool. So we're definitely going to sleeve these up and put them in our binder and hold them. Hold on for dear life. But yeah, I love how educational these cards are. So it looks like we get... Okay, it looks like you get one of these cards and one of these cards in every pack, it looks like. The bear market. I'll do separate videos on different cards. If there's a card that you guys want to actually see the back of, just let me know. Currency, the US dollar. It's on fire. But I love the educational purposes on the back of the cards. Like, I love how they go over details. Oh, look at the gold. You guys know us. We love our precious metals. So cool. Asset versus liability. Do you guys know what's an asset versus a liability? Drop a comment. The US dollar. It's the Titanic. Last pack magic. FOMO. Yep, the fear of missing out. I'll be honest, I think I've had that for some different sets in the past. Yep, if you don't got your cold wallet, it ain't yours. Tyranny. It's a nice, cool one. I like that one. Very cool. Very, very cool. Again, guys, take a look in the video description. These are awesome. And it's mind blown because let's go from Genesis to Season 3. Look at the difference. From Genesis to Season 3. Love it.